class 6, we are studying second lesson of chapter 1, cells, tissues and organs. We proceed with the topic of specialist animal cells. Some animal cells are adopted to carry out complicated tasks within the animal's body. It means that with the passage of time, some animal cells have adjusted themselves to carry out certain specialized functions within the animal's body. Red blood cells, their job or function is to carry oxygen around the body in the blood, and their adaptation is no nucleus biconcave shape gives the largest surface area for absorbing oxygen, contain hemoglobin which combines with oxygen. Now see, this is how the shape of red blood cells look like. It's biconcave. अब बाइकॉन्केव शेप का एडवांटेज ये है कि रेड ब्लड सेल्स को ज़्यादा सरफेस एरिया मिल जाता है ऑक्सीजन अब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए, बिकॉज देयर बेसिक फंक्शन इज टू कैरी ऑक्सीजन अराउंड द बॉडी इन द ब्लड. नेक्स्ट स्पेशलिस्ट सेल इज नर्व सेल्स. Their job is to carry messages around the body, and their adaptation is very long and thin, up to 1 meter long. Connections at both ends can carry electrical signals. Now look at this real microscopic image of nerve cell. It's very long and thin. It can be as long as 1 meter long. Other type of specialized cell is ciliated epithelial cell. These are tiny hairs called cilia. All along the upper surfaces sweep dust and microbes along in the airways such as the lining of the nose and windpipe, so keeping them clean. Ciliated cells in the oviducts move the egg cells along from the ovaries to the ureter. This is real time image of microscopic image of cilia, tiny hairs which are present in the airways and along the lining of the nose and windpipe. So in simple words, the function of cilia is to protect a person from germs in the lungs and to push the cells in the oviducts from the ovaries to the ureters. Next topic is unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular, as their name suggests, they have a single cell, and multicellular organisms, they have multiple cells. Microbes and some very simple plants and animals including amoeba and cholera have only one cell. They are said to be unicellular. Most living things, however, are made up of large number of cells all grouped together. The human body is made up of billions of cells, most of which are very small and can be seen only with a powerful microscope. A red blood cell, for instance, is only 0.007 millimeter across. The egg cell or ova, which is the beginning of the human baby, is one of the largest cells in the body. It measures 0.2 millimeter across, which is about the size of one of the full stops on this page. Brain cells are the smallest cells in the body. They measure only 0.005 millimeter across, and 40 of them would fit across the dot on the top of the letter I. This is the microscopic image of amoeba, a unicellular organism.